The Studio E here at the Adler Graduate School is a collaboration between Adler Art Therapy Program and the Epilepsy Foundation of Minnesota. We established this about 8 years ago. It was a grant-based support for that to provide art therapy services to epilepsy, the foundation and the members that they serve, and the families that they're involved in. So it has evolved over the years from separate groups with children and their caregivers and adults, and now it has combined into a total group between the adults and the kids. And over that time, we've seen many participants come back time and time again. Some have been here the entire time. So it's been exciting to see how the kids have grown up and life changes and everything. So it's been a nice journey to witness that. And the art therapy really provides them an opportunity to kind of explore with art materials, connect with one another, feel the sense of kind of belonging, this community that they don't typically have when they're kind of isolated or dealing with all the stressors of day-to-day life. For many of them, coming here is a way to help them manage some of their symptoms that can trigger seizures for them. They talk about that welcoming qualities of it, and how they are open to new members joining, and new members who show up feel very connected very quickly with everyone else. I think professionally too, this has really been a great opportunity for the art therapy program, art therapy studio, and the Adler Graduate School to really do some community outreach work that has been consistent. It has supported the studio, and it's really supported the educational opportunities for the students in a very kind of contained and supportive manner, so they can kind of really learn hands-on in a very deep way. I think this is a very valuable program for the community, and it really represents, the values that we have here at the Adler Graduate School, and it's great to be a part of reinforcing that.